Hey guys, welcome to another solopreneur finance tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to do a comparison between Empower and YNAB. So both of these platforms are going to be excellent financial tools, but they are going to be built for very different purposes and user types. So Empower is primarily an investment and net worth tracking platform. It gives you a full picture view of your finances, your bank account, credit cards, retirement funds, and investment portfolios are all pulled into one dashboard. Its budgeting capabilities are relatively basic. It automatically categorizes your transactions, show you where your money is going, and helps you track cash flow. However, its true strength lie in a long-term financial planning. Empower offers tools for retirement readiness, investment performance analysis, and net worth tracking. It is especially useful if you want to manage wealth, monitor assets and liabilities, and make sure you are on the track for financial goals like retirement. For the platform useness or the use of the platform is going to be very simple, self-explanatory. You do not need any guide to have in the platform, so you can go ahead and put your let's say financial situation or your financial status into the platform. Everything is going to be clear. As you can see, you are going to explore the products and solution that you're going to have. For example, the wealth management. You can have the overview, the private client, socially responsible investing, the investment methodology, personal strategy plus. We have the high yield cash account, rollover and IRAs, investment accounts, and etc. Also, not to forget that we have the financial tools that we have mentioned before. As you can see, we are going to have the retirement planner, net worth, budgeting, and cash flow, and finally the portfolio analysis, which is going to give you the insights to help you for the investing into your next finances or the next plan to put some finance away. So you can go ahead also and have the currency, as you can see, for learn. You can also see how things work. If you're going to sign up, it is going to be very simple. Click on sign up, and then you're going to have the sign up for professional, also for the individuals. Now moving on to YNAB. On the other hand, it is all about day-to-day money management and behavior changes. It uses a zero-based budgeting philosophy where you give every dollar a job on this platform. This platform isn't just for tracking or money tracking where your money went. It is about planning where every dollar should go before you spend it. The app is designed to help you break the paycheck to paycheck cycle, build saving, and take control of your cash flow. It does require more hands on involvement than Empower. You will regularly update your budget and make adjustments, but this is a part of the method strength. It encourages mindfulness and proactive money decision. In terms of automation, Empower is more hands off. It automatically syncs your account and gives you insight without much user input. So, this is why you can use the full autonomous platform of Empower. So, you can go ahead and use it for its power for the automations, and it is going not to deceive you basically. Now, for the YNAB, it is going to support account syncing, encourages, or if you will, it encourages the manual categorization and a review, reinforcing awareness and a control over your spending. And here we are going to need a little bit of a hand from you as a user to keep track on your savings, on your spendings, and etc. So the automations are going to be limited in here, but you're not going to be having a let's say a hard time managing your finances, but it is going to make you learn how to manage your money well, because the lack of automation or the lot of automations is going to make you let's say here learn the methods that you're going to get from the platform. When it comes to price, Empower is a free to use platform. As you can see, we do not have a let's say your pricing plan yet, but keep in mind that they are going to promote, or they do some promotion on their paid financial advisory services. So you're going to have advice or something like that. You can go ahead and have that solution or that service as a paid service. Now, for YNAB, it is going to be a paid subscription for the website. You're going to have about $99 per year. It is going to be, I think, in my case, totally worth it. But many users feels the value it is provided into the specific platform is going to put some habits that will justify the costs. So it is going to be completely worth it in my case, and also for the most users that has been using the platform. In summary, if you're going to choose Empower, that means that you're going to have the primary goal to understand your overall financial health, track investments, and plan for long term goals like retirement. And if you're going to use YNAB, you are going to look to gain daily control over your spending, stop living paycheck to paycheck, and build stronger budget habits. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe.